Someone wanted an ASMR style video, so here we go. In between the ASMR action though, I'm going to drop 3 effective tips to help you clean your vehicle more effectively and more safely along the way. The first tip is have an effective multi-purpose style cleaner, whether it's an APC or a citrus. Today we're using Kraken all-purpose cleaner from Phoenix COD. It's going to clean our rubber floor mats, be an effective bug and lower panel pre-treatment. So when we rinse and knock all this contamination off the vehicle, it makes for a much safer wash process when we come in for the contact of our wheels or paint. Foam, rinse, foam. This basically means pre-treat, rinse, and then come in for your agitation wash to effectively clean any surface. First, we're going to start with our wheel and tires, and we're going to come in on this BMW. It has heavy brake dust, so we're going to apply Phoenix COD Furies so it can go ahead and knock off a high percentage of this brake dust right off the bat. Now, we're not foaming today because we're using the Multi Pro 2 Alk instead of the foamer, but it still gets some nice foaming action with our Kraken pre-treatment. So we're going to use this to pre-treat, and then we're going to also use it as our wheel and tire cleaner. After dwelling a sufficient time, doing an effective rinse, and now we're ready to come in for the contact wash. Before foaming the vehicle here, I did apply a good dose of that Kraken pre-treatment that we already had mixed up in the IK Multi Pro 2 to the front of the vehicle where it was contaminated with bugs, the side mirrors, and the traffic film down the sides of the panels. And then we double tapped it with the Apex Auto Wash Foam Bath over the top. Developing a very repeatable and a very routine wash process is going to help a long way in reducing that swirling and marring onto your painted surfaces. Using high quality wash media, like today we're using the Wash Boss Junior, which is coming very soon to the House Rags. And I like to work in long linear motions up and down our panels, and that's just generally going to reduce that swirling because we're not moving in circular motions. Also, washing the top half of your vehicle before moving on to the dirtier lower parts of the vehicle is going to give you a safer wash procedure in the long run, keeping your wash media cleaner for longer. Or you can be like many and just use multiple wash media and change them out to a clean wash media every time you go to a new panel or whenever you think your current wash media is soiled. It's bonus tip time, and we're talking about drying aids. Applying something like Titan Hybrid Detailer from Phoenix COD is going to lube up that surface, making the drying process a whole lot safer and smoother and more just completely more enjoyable. Also, it adds our last step protection. It's going to really gloss up this paint. You'll see after we get done drying it all up, and you're done. That's the whole car wash. We washed, we dried from the wheels and tires to the paintwork to the glass to the trim. It's now all shiny and protected. Now it's time for the best part, enjoying the results of your labor. And getting effective results like this was as easy as following basic, simple steps like the foam, rinse, foam, to using a drying aid. And we washed safely, we washed effectively, and we got some fantastic results. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe.